Hey, it's Aquila Mariyah here, and today I'm going to be discussing how to reflect on your actions.
I like to sit back and watch a tree grow. I like the way they think it's all growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these.
If you're new to my channel, my name's Aquila Mariyah, and I'm a mindset coach. I empower women to believe in themselves by rediscovering their worth. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead and hit the thumbs up button for the algorithm so that way my video can reach more people. So when it comes to reflecting on your actions, you can stop and reflect in the moment that you are noticing that you're not agreeing with the actions you're taking, or you can reflect afterwards where like everything has already happened and there's nothing you can do about it. If you are disagreeing with what you are doing mid-action, then just stop. Stop what you are doing right then and right there. Just allow yourself to realize and understand that what has been done can't be undone, but you can make the decision to not continue with what you're doing in the moment. Now, once you have stopped and realized that this is not the action you are wanting to take, then it's time to just accept that what happened has happened. I can't do anything about it, but what I can do is make sure that I learn from this so that way it doesn't occur again. Ask yourself, why did I think that this was okay? Now, this is similar to what I was discussing yesterday in overthinking. So if you haven't seen that video, the link is going to be in the description below and it'll be recommended after the video. Ask yourself why you are doing what you're doing and try to empathize with your way of thinking and the person you were in that moment. Because at the moment, in the moment, you felt that that was okay. Now you feel it is not okay. So try to empathize with the person that you were when you were doing those actions. And like I said, just learn from it so that way you can decide what you are going to be doing differently next time to either avoid the situation or notice a lot quicker when you are in the situation that you don't want to be in. Now, all you have to do is be mindful. Be mindful of the way that you move in the world. Be mindful of who you are surrounding yourself with so that way it aligns with your values, and that will allow you to not make the same action that you disagree with again. Learn why you did it. Learn why you're not going to do it again. And then use what you've learned to move differently in the future. Now, there are a lot of things that I wish I wouldn't have done, and to this day, I still have it pop up, and I'm like, why did I do that? But I no longer allow it to guilt trip me to where I'm feeling bad and just sulking because I can't do anything about what I've done in my past. All I can do is make sure that I don't make those same mistakes again. And the best way to make sure you don't make the same mistakes is to learn from it, reflect on it, and move accordingly. I just want to make sure you understand not to dwell on something that you cannot change, but focus on what you can do differently to not do it again. Because who you were when you did something is clearly not somebody who you agree with. If now, even if it's like minutes later, if now you feel as though I shouldn't have done that or I shouldn't be doing this, then you're a new person. Do your best to not let it happen again. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead and hit the thumbs up button, and also if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, also the notification bell so that you're notified every time that I upload a video. I upload Monday through Friday, 6:30 p.m. Eastern time. If you haven't seen the video for overthinking, it's going to be recommended after. Definitely check it out if you are struggling with your overthinking. If you feel as though you just need guidance and a different perspective with overthinking and just believing in yourself, then click the link in the description below to set up your free 20-minute connection call with me, where I will personally talk with you and see what it is that I can help you with to improve your struggle in life. Thank you so much for your support. I hope you have a positive, blissful day or night whenever you are watching this. Always remember to be love, be peace, be positive, spread love everywhere you go, and always, always be you. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these motherfuckers.